Hey everyone, welcome back to the Peterson Bronco. Today I'm super excited. I get to install my hidden winch from Rough Country. I really have looked forward to getting this kit for a while, so I'm pretty excited to get this install underway. Alright, so the Rough Country undermount winch, the hidden winch kit, comes with really good instructions once you use the QR code. So I've already taken off my front skid, little plastic covers on the bumper, but what I wanted to show you guys is for my sensors. Let me just grab my flashlight here. So the parking sensors plug in just up there. So you want to disconnect that before you continue taking off all the mounts for the front bumper. So for the coolant boost pump, you have to use a 10 mil socket. Of course, I'm using a deep because so I did the amazing thing of putting my tripod in a safe place. Now I have no idea where it is. So yeah, this video is not going to be the most informative because it's really hard to hold my phone and do this stuff, but I will try to get as much information shared with you. Again, the instructions that come with the Rough Country kit are extremely good, laid out with pictures, so that is helpful, but anything I find kind of tricky or needs a little bit more explanation, I'll try and cover that. Again, sorry guys, I have no clue what I did with it. Okay guys, the big thing in the directions. So when it says to put the intercooler mounts back on, and then it tells you to install the control box extension, definitely put this step, photo 18, like at photo 14. Install that first, because we have the winch installed, and then with my dyslexia, I take a while reading instructions. So everything's mounted, and now you can't fit your arm in to plug in the extension. So plug in the extension when you're about to lift. Also run all your electrical wires up at that same time. Don't wait and plug in the extension later, because you won't be able to. Okay, hope that's helped you guys. I'm going to keep working. Okay, so the hidden winch kit and winch are installed. So 12,000 synthetic line winch. So that's awesome on the Bronco. It definitely took us a little bit longer than anticipated. Couple times messing around with getting that skid right and the bumper right, but everything worked out well. Really want to thank Pierre for helping me out. Pleasure. Made a huge difference. And yeah, so that's it for the Peterson Bronco today. Please again, like, subscribe, and share, and follow along with our adventures. Jesus, I'm tired. Okay, have a good one.